Hello everybody, today me and my broken English are gonna teach you how to create a simple trivia game in PHP. To begin, we will create a variable which will be an integer for the scores. Then we will create another variable which will be a two-dimensional array which will contain the questions and the answers for the game. After we are satisfied with the questions and the answers, we will start with the game logic. We will create a for each loop that will contain all the questions from the trivia variable. We will first echo the question, then we will wait for the user input. If the user input equals the answer we created earlier in the question, then we will say it's a correct answer and we will increase the scoreboard by 1. If it's a wrong answer, that's output for the user, it's wrong. And that's it. After we finish looping through the questions, we will echo the final score for the user. We will use count to say how many questions we had and the score. I'm using Linux to upload the script to my server and then display it. So here we are with the first question, which is correct, second is correct, and we got 2 out of 2. Let's try again, but this time we will answer one question wrong. So the first answer is Everest, second is blah blah, and there we have it, 1 out of 2.